Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to secure Rainbow Wallet with Face ID or fingerprint. So now Rainbow Wallet is a non-custodial crypto wallet, meaning you fully control your funds unlike centralized apps. Rainbow does not store password or offer in Face ID, Touch ID settings. To secure your wallet, you must rely on device level biometrics and a backup of your recovery phase. And this ensures that even if someone gets your phone, your wallet remains protected. So over here from the home screen, what you can do is simply press on your Rainbow app and tap on the required Face ID. And this ensures anyone trying to open apps including Rainbow Wallet must use your biometric data. And this adds a second layer of security alongside with your device biometrics. And that is it. This is how you can secure your Rainbow Wallet with Face ID or fingerprint. And after that, only your Face ID fingerprint can unlock the wallet. Your crypto remains safe even if your phone is stolen. And recovery phrase is the ultimate backup. Never share recovery phrase. Don't store it online or take screenshots. Rainbow Wallet relies on device security, so strong biometrics plus passcode are essential. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to secure Rainbow Wallet with Face ID or fingerprint. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment and we will reach out to you very soon.